Welcome to the Funds Chip Math Academy. Today we'll be solving question 1 under exercise 1A, chapter 1 of your new general mathematics for senior secondary school, book 1. Now, the purpose of this channel is to help you be prepared, to make you better at mathematics. Before you go to class, we hope that you'll take the time out, go through the solutions we provide on this channel, work them out yourself first, then see the steps we give in solving these things, so that even before assignments are given, you solve them on your own. By the time you get to class, you will be in a position of advantage. You will be able to follow your teachers, your lecturers more easily. You'll be able to move with the flow and grasp the concept faster than most. This particular exercise will help you become a better math student. Currently, we are going to be working with senior secondary school 1 through to 3. And if you want us to do the same thing for JAM past questions and WAEC past questions, go ahead, hit the like button, let us know that you really want it, and hit the notification button so that every single time we bring out a solution, you get informed about it, you get notified about it. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, and that will spur us on to continue to solve this, because actually it's only your interest that will keep this channel going. If people are not interested, definitely this channel will not continue for long. So let's know if you're interested, let's know those who are really interested, and we'll be there to satisfy you all through the year. Thank you. So in this video, we're going to be solving the first question under exercise 1A of chapter 1 of the new general mathematics for senior secondary school, book 1. And the question is a very simple one. It says 10 raised to the power 5 times 10 raised to the power 4. With this example, we'll be able to establish some of the basic principles in solving such problems. So we say you should solve this on your own first, then compare with the solutions we'll provide for you below. So it's very important you solve this on your own. And to solve it, we simply say, quoting the first law of indices, which says that x raised to the power a times x raised to the power b is equals to x raised to the power a plus b. Now, why is this? You look at the term x. The term x, it is the same for both the first term and the second term. They are similar. So it's xx. We'll show how to prove this in a little while. So, but you see that they are similar terms. So when similar terms are raised to certain powers or are raised to powers, you can add those powers to get the result. It's a very simple way to do it. So let's look at this example now. 10 raised to the power 5 times 10 raised to the power 4. It now says 10, which is the common term in both places, raised to the power 5 plus 4. And that's a very simple way to solve this question. And you have your answer right there, 10 raised to the power 9. And that is the answer.